Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Groove mobile, you know, from the Minions movie. So I bought it for 179, so which is really nice. So I really don't want this to be in premium segment, because the only difference it's going to make is it is going to have a metal chassis along with some rubber wheels. That is the only difference it is going to have. In case if they are re-releasing it as premium, or I don't know if they might already released it. But in India we got only this. If you guys from other countries and if you actually have this in premium, just let me know what I said is correct or not. And if I'm wrong, just let me know what other changes they made in this casting. Yay. I'm not able to cut this sheet. I really don't want to damage the box. Okay, here it is. Okay. So here is the casting. Okay. Out of the box, the casting looks really nice. I mean, it looks really nice. I don't see any irregularities in the paint job like as usual we do in all Hot Wheels. So this part is plastic. This is also plastic. This is also plastic, I can see. I don't know which part is metal in this one. Maybe you can remove this. I'm not sure, man. I don't think it is removable. I don't want to break it. But this is plastic. Okay. It is plastic. I think the only metal part here is this one. I'm not sure if it is openable or supposed to open, or I'm missing something out here. Okay, but apart from that, overall the casting looks really nice for a change. The paint job is really awesome. Maybe just because if it's a gray metallic gray, so they did it really well, it seems. Because how could you actually fuck up a really basic color? It says Groove car here, and it has wheels. It rolls. Okay, it is not going to perform anything in track, but let's do a roll test. Okay, it drifts to one side. Okay, it is not going to roll. This is just for our, how you can say, to keep it in our showcase. Just give it to your kids. I'm still wondering if I can actually remove this. Okay. But apart from that, the casting looks really nice in every way. I don't have any, negative points about this casting. So only negative point is most of this literally this entire thing is made of plastic. Only this part here, yeah, this part here is actually made of metal. Rest everything is plastic. So it is not worth 179, maybe 100 rupees, yeah, but not 179. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.